Hi, today we are going to learn sparse matrix, that is also known as sparse array. So matrix is two-dimensional array. So in sparse matrix, majority of elements are zero and very few are non-zero elements. It's mean if there is a matrix, for example, 2 rows and 3 columns and only 2 values are there and remaining are blank. So this vacant place is filled with 0. Okay. So in sparse matrix, majority of values are 0 and non-zero values we have to consider. So why we are using sparse matrix? That reduce the scanning time. And how exactly it reduces the scanning time? Because if there is M cross N matrix, M equal to 100 and N is also 100, it's mean for searching all the elements or scanning all the elements you require 10,000 value. 10,000 scanning required to find the where exactly value exists. So instead of using this 10,000 times scanning, you can use sparse matrix. So in sparse matrix, you can directly get the values that exist in that matrix. So sparse matrix representation we can represent in two way, 3 column form representation and linked list representation. So in 3 column form representation, there are 3 columns, rows, column and value. So we are taking one example. This is 4 cross 4 matrix where the values are 0, 2, 0, 0, 4, 0, 3, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 0. So this is 4 cross 4 matrix and we have to create a sparse matrix of this 4 cross 4 matrix. For that we take 3 columns, row, column and value. That first row is represented by total number of row, total number of column and the total number of non-zero values exist in that matrix. The first total number of rows are 1, 2, 3, 4. Total number of column 1, 2, 3, 4. And total number of non-zero values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first row represent total row, column and values, non-zero values in matrix. So now in the next row of this 3 column representation, you start with first row. So in the first row where non-zero values exist, at second column. But indexing in the C programming, the indexing of this matrix is first is 0, 0, second 0, 1, 0, 2 and 0, 3 and 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 0, so on. So representation is in this format. So for 3 column representation, we have to consider only non-zero elements, non-zero values. So in row 0, this is row 0. In row 0 at column 1, this indexing is 1, the value is 2. In next, in row 1, this is R1. Row 1, column 0 and value is 4. Next, in the same row, indexing value of column is 2 and value is 3. For R2, value exists at 1 and 0, 1 and 3. So R2 1 and value is 1. Again in the same row at 3 indexing column, value is 1. In the last row that is R3, column 1, value is 2. So it is a 3 column form representation of sparse matrix, and through this 3 column representation we can directly access only non-zero values. We ignore the zero values. That's why we are using sparse matrix. Thank you.